Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys talking about say, well, looking pretty good here because of the fact that the market cap is almost approaching 2 billion. So just a little bit of a heads up on today. Say is already up by 12% on the day. So definitely looking great at the moment. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are growing and we want you to grow with us. Now, let's just go ahead and move forward a little bit. Take a look at the 7 day of say, pretty much breaking even. Let's see, month of August is, I guess, is kind of we're sitting still here. For the 1 month, we're at like 1%. So far, this is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the year. For the year, say is pretty much breaking even as well, just a little bit over 1%. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a great time and maybe one of the last opportunities to get say at such a great price because from the things that we're hearing, we're finally going to get some quantitative easing next month, probably. But remember, like nobody has a crystal ball. But once we get that quantitative easing and once the interest rates are supposedly supposed to drop, we're going to see a lot more liquidity in the markets. And the fact that say was down in the 20s, like maybe a day or two ago, maybe even a few hours ago, to be honest with you, it's really good. Anytime we got the opportunity to get say at this lower price, we're in good shape. Thing is, we want to make sure we DCA and do everything accordingly. But we got to understand that while we have the opportunity, while say is under $1, and let's take a look at that all-time high. Trying to make sure we got that one, yeah, 114. So the all-time high is over $1. So that's already occurred. Let me see exactly when it was. That last year. Yeah, that was last year, like in March of last year. A lot of altcoins were running up at that particular time. But just saying that was like a year ago that say was at $1. So what I'm pointing out to you, once that cycle comes back, say is most likely going to get well over that. So what we want to do is we want to get in before the quantitative easing takes place next month and the possible reduction in interest rates where we may get like a quarter of a point, half a point, not probably not, but at least a quarter of a point. Just a heads up on what may be happening. Like I said, no crystal ball, but it appears that we're going to get some quantitative easing because of some concerns about the job market. But hey, neither here nor there. But when that opportunity is coming, you might as well take advantage of it. Also, I had broken down a list of the all-time highs of some of the other altcoins when there were a lot of all-time highs that were breaking place in 2021, right? So that was basically 4 years ago, almost to this date. But a lot of the all-time highs were in September. There was maybe some in October, but also a lot in November. A lot of those all-time highs were taking place in the fall. And this is what we're looking at right now in August. August things are kind of like a little bit, they're going well for a lot of things, but we really haven't taken off just yet. You know what I mean? Things are really going to take off later, but right now they haven't as of yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum's been doing extremely well compared to what it was a few months ago. Basically, almost tripled in price. So really amazing. It's already at 4,700, approaching an all-time high for Ethereum. So that's really good. Bitcoin is at 115,000. It's pretty much breaking even right now. You got your other alts that are doing extremely well. So we want to keep all of this in mind. Solana is also over $200 again, ever so slightly. Alt season, it says 52 over 100. And I kind of agree with that to a certain extent because of the fact that we're getting closer and closer to possible rate cut. And I'm seeing it right here. It says markets react sharply as Powell signals possible rate cut. And that's really what it's going to take to make the market take off. Um, if I'm looking right here, the Bitcoin dominance is at 57%, Ethereum at 14%, looking pretty good here. Now let's just go ahead and look at, say, as far as, let's go immediately to the website. Fastest layer one EVM blockchain. So nobody's arguing that at all. What can you say about it? Never mind. Anyways, we got Coinbase, Circle, Jump, Multi-Coin Capital, several others that are backing and supporting Say to the hilt. So we definitely know that great things are on the horizon. We got this real-time speed for endless innovation. Say's battle-tested EVM architecture enables robust security at scale, ideal for Web 2 like experiences, etc. And also, they're getting ready to have the Giga upgrade. So, 400 milliseconds time to finality. That's incredible. They got the gigagas, 5 gigagas per second, approximately 200,000 transactions per second are possible. The breakthrough infrastructure, parallelized runtime. This is really going very well. Let's go ahead and move forward a little bit. Say's network. Let's go ahead and look at what's happening. Just want to read a little bit of that Say news to make sure we're up to date. Say Network's explosive 500K wallet growth and market volatility, a long-term investment play amid short-term turbulence. I definitely agree with this. And let's just go ahead and look at that. So it says the Say Network's wallet count surged 76% to 8.3 million in 2025, trailing only Coinbase's Layer 2 solution. So this is pretty incredible. Technical upgrades like Monaco protocol, sub-second trading, and institutional adoption drove 851K daily active addresses and 550 million total value locked growth. So we're looking at some extreme growth and a lot of great things happening for Say. I don't know what to tell you except good stuff on the horizon. So says Say Network has emerged as one of the most compelling narratives in the blockchain space in 2025. So this is what we're going to be looking for. I think that Say is going to be incredible in that regard. Keep your eyes on a lot of great things happening in the market. Let's go to another article right here from Cryptocurrency News. And this is going to be top rated crypto under $1. And one of those is Say. So let's go ahead and read very quickly. Say is the lightning fast network with real traction. Say Network has been making waves with its raw speed and technical strength. Still under $1, but already drawing attention with a market cap near 1.94 billion and daily volume of 227 million. So just a heads up on that. It's giving you a great idea that Say is one of those cryptos to watch for under $1, which we already are aware of, but at the same time, we want to make absolutely sure that we keep that in mind. So it says Say posted over $1 billion in the DEX volume and nearly almost 1 million active addresses. So this is getting crazy. Say is getting really good. So let's go to the X site. I'm going to scroll back up just a moment. Markets move faster on Say for sure. Blockchain. Wall Street grade trading layer. So this is talking about the Monaco on Say, incubated by Say Labs. Monaco is the only club, and that's going to be Central. Man, I'm trying to think of it. Central layer. I forgot. I'm on cheat. I'm gonna cheat. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Central limit order book. So let me go back. Central limit order book built for Wall Street with less than 1 billion. No, excuse me. Less than 1 millisecond execution and deeply shared liquidity, supercharging on-chain trading for institutions and retail. So keep this in mind that Monaco is basically a central exchange. How can I say? They're well, yeah, they're definitely going to be up and running. So, matter of fact, let me go to the Monaco article since I'm just bumbling over that. Monaco launches trading infrastructure on Say blockchain, and in this case, it's talking about Say Labs and Monaco Research unveil open source cloud with microsecond execution, revenue sharing for builders, and 200,000 times. Holy cow! Faster settlement than traditional markets. So here we go. Monaco, a new decentralized trading. Okay, sorry. Okay, decentralized trading protocol incubated by Say Labs and Monaco Research announced the launch of its institutional grade central limit order book infrastructure on the Say blockchain. So right here, the protocol aims to capture a significant portion of the projected $30 trillion tokenized asset market by 2034, offering Wall Street caliber execution speeds with the transparency and accessibility of decentralized finance. That's even more than, well, my bad, not quite more. That's almost as much as the US debt right now. I'm just playing. Definitely not financial advice. Ouch. But anyways, that's a lot of money. Just saying, $30 trillion. Whoever thought we would have something that would actually compare to that. But anyways, $30 trillion is the market for the real world assets, and so hopefully that will get done. Let's go back to the Say price again. As you notice right here, I think we're still at yeah, we're close, but we're pretty much at 31, 32 cents right now if we get some more bad news, which we're hoping for. Um, no, we don't want anything bad to happen to anybody, but maybe some negative nilly news or something like that, and Say goes back below 30 cents. We need to load the boat again, make sure we get this done. Say is only going to be down for a limited time. By this time next month, I can't say how where it's going to be, but at the same time, guys, this is a no-brainer. We talked about Say for a while. We know Say is a winner. We ain't got no issues with it. If you're looking to get in Say, get in it while it's under $1, guys. Not going to be under $1 forever. This is Al, real life invested. Take advantage of a winner. Take advantage of Say, the fastest Ethereum virtual machine crypto out there. Take it easy. Have a good day. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.